So what's up guys, Outer Rim Brick Studios here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Welcome OBS fam. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more updates on my channel. So this item came from RRB or Ron Bricks. Big shout out to Ron Bricks. So we will unbox this guys and let's see what's inside. So let's do it. Let's go. So to open this we will use a scissor, but guys, I have a warning for you. Before when you use a scissor, be careful to use it to avoid cut your own hand. Oh, let's go. This is the first white box. It's just a box guys for packaging, but it's not the item inside. It's not the actual item inside. This is the second white box. Oops. What's happening? So this is the main box, and we have two small white box. So we will open first the two small white box guys before the big one. So let's see what's inside of this. I hope it's not a spider. Joke. Oh. Oh wow, some free items. Look, I will adjust it. Yes, this is the first white box guys. Some items or weapons as a freebie, I think. Thank you very much Ron Bricks for this. So this is the first white small box inside. This is the second one. Let's open this. I already destroyed it. Oh, my bad. So this is the second one. Let's see what's inside. Another item from, I think it's a SWAT items. Thank you very much Ron Rick. Shout out to you again. Check it out his work guys. He also custom some minifigures. You can check it out and see the uh, link of his page and his group in description box below. So the last and not the least, we will open this big one. Let's see what's inside. We have a brick separator, 2 brick separator. Thank you very much, Run or RRB Run bricks. So this is the item, guys. Oh, we have also a sandbag for freebies. That's too many freebies, guys. What are you waiting for? Order now. So we have a lot of minifigure. I think it's Marvel, because I also collected the Captain America line. You will see this now. So the first item is Captain America. I don't think what is a variant or in a movie. So comment down below what's variant is this. The second one is the first version out of old one of a Captain America you have seen in a Endgame movie of the Avengers Endgame. The second one is the second version of the old Steve Rogers Captain America. The third one is another variant of a Captain America. Really cool and really nice. That's America's ass. This is the Pip one. Another Captain America variant. Really awesome. What's this? Another freebie, guys. We have a freebie of Star Wars transparent clone helmets. Geonosian clone trooper helmet, and it's a Coruscant or a Shark Trooper helmet. That's how many? 5, the 6, and last minifigure. Wow, his work, guys. I think it's a Winter Soldier. His costume works. Winter Soldier, a Captain America variant. Shout out to you, Run Bricks. You can check it out his work, guys, on his page and his group on a description box below. Shout out to you again, Run Bricks or John Alindongan. Shout out to you. So this is the Winter Soldier. Bucky. Yeah, it's Bucky. So guys, this is the minifigures and custom minifigures from RRB or Run Bricks. We have a lot of freebies and goodies item Captain America. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more updates and more video upcoming soon. Outer Rim Brick Studios out, and have a great day. God bless. Bye bye. Peace.